Is this perfect? It isn't, is it? I mean, you can part it anywhere, but it's not perfect. It's not even plucked behind the line like we're used to on the perfect hairline. So, I don't know. In today's video, I have a sort of a dupe for a human hair curly wig. If you're interested, keep watching. Welcome to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and today I have a new Outre wig. She is 12 inches long and she is called Lissie, so let me give you the specs on her. I have Lissie in the color DR Java Frost. She is 12 inches long, a perfect hairline unit, which means she has HD lace, a 13x4 parting space, and of course that allows you to style this wig in several ways. Inside she has 2 combs in the front, an elastic band, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I love the curly texture of this wig, which is between silky and light yaki, and I only plucked her a little bit, enough to break up the line. But as I said to you guys earlier, the fact that this is really not a perfect hairline and you're trying to pluck her may be a problem because of all of the curls. Honestly, I like Lissie. I'm gonna give her a 4, even though she's a bit of a problem in terms of all of the work that you have to do to kind of make sure that you manipulate her. You may even want to take some scissors and trim her on the ends a little bit, because she's a little straight on the ends despite the fact that she's curly all around. So if you guys have decided that you're going to get Lissie, or if you already have her, please tell me about it in the comments. Now it's time for the old school trivia contest, where you can win a free headband from my store, slg58.myshopify.com. This particular question comes from the 80s. As you guys know, in the 80s there were a lot of artists who decided to remake songs that were throwbacks from earlier years. There was a song that Luther Vandross remade that was originally done by Dionne Warwick. If you know the name of that tune, be the first to put it in the comments below and you can win the headband. Thank you so much, ladies, for watching. I really appreciate it. And as I always say, if you're gonna show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.